How can you allow night filter or night flash on your iPhone? Maybe it's your front camera or maybe it's your back camera. So guys, an iPhone camera is very essential or very important type of thing in your iPhone, because you can capture many more type of different photos inside your iPhone by just your iPhone camera. In night there is dark, so we just need a better type of filter. We can expect from Apple that they will give us the better type of night connection or night filter that will reflect our photo and make it bright. How can you avail this feature inside your mobile phone? This is my iPhone 11, and any iPhone above iPhone 7 Plus support these type of filters or these type of flashlight in the phone. Firstly, what we have to do, click on the bottom of your right screen called the camera. Make sure one thing, that you have updated your newest or latest iOS version, so that you can avail these type of features very easily inside your mobile phone. We will now, for now, we will click on this camera option here, and guys, you will see on the left top there is two option on my front camera. This is my front camera here. So you will see the two options. The first option is of the flashlight, and the second option is called night filter, that will give you a reflection or that will reflect a white bright light on your screen on your mobile phone, so that your picture will be brighter in night also. You can click on this and just avail this from here. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you liked, and this, if you found this video helpful, then please give a better like and a lovely comment into the comment section. Thank you for watching. Keep loving, keep watching.